Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to purchase data from Lyca Mobile. To begin, open any browser on your phone and search for Lyca Mobile data plans along with your country name. After that, visit the official Lyca Mobile website for your location. For example, if you're in Germany, make sure you access the German Lyca Mobile page. Now, select the data package that suits you. For example, you might pick a 60 gigabyte plan priced at £15 and 99 pence. Then click on Buy Now. Enter your phone number, and before continuing, choose whether you're using a SIM card or an eSIM. You also have the option to include add-ons or extra top-ups if needed. Then scroll down and tap on Checkout. Provide your first name, last name, and email address and complete the payment process. Once everything is done, your data plan will be activated and ready to use on your device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more helpful mobile and tech guides.